welcome back to my channel. My name is Sini. So today I'm going to be sharing with you how I refresh my hair and get it prepped for an afro style. I plan to wear my hair out in its afro state on the next day, and this is what I'm going to do to prep my hair for that. So I'm going to be using the Afro Botanics Hair Juice Aloe Shear Spray. Then I'm going to seal my hair with the 4CNATURAL's Miraculous Oil. I'm going to be using the facial attachment that came with my hair steamer, and the added steam is going to add that extra boost of moisture whilst I'm moisturizing my hair. And the steam also lifts the hair cuticles, which allows my hair products to penetrate my hair strands much more effectively. And it's also going to soften my hair and make my hair more pliable as I'm separating my hair at the beginning to start moisturizing. So I'm just going to go section by section. I'm just going to unravel one of my twists, and I'm just going to use my fingers to lightly separate my hair and just to smooth my hair whilst I've got the steam directed to my hair. Then I'm just going to go in with the Afro Botanics Aloe Juice, and then I'm just going to smooth that into that section. And I'm just also going to concentrate on the ends of my hair and make sure I get those as well. So then once I'm done applying the aloe juice to my hair, I'm just going to use the oil on top of that so I can just seal all of that moisture into my hair as well. And at this point, guys, my hair strands feel quite smooth and my hair feels very soft as well. It really feels good. Then I'm just going to take my Denman brush and just lightly brush out the ends. I'm not doing like a detangling session, I'm just brushing out the ends. I'm going to twist that section back up, and then I'm going to move on to the next section, and I'm just going to continue once I'm done with my entire head, and I'll be doing the exact same thing. So I'm all done, guys, and my hair feels really good. I honestly wish I had done this before, and I can't wait for you guys to try it out. If you do try it out, please do let me know in the comments below. How did you like it for your hair? How did your hair feel? I think it's a great option. I haven't done anything like bagging or the greenhouse method for a very long time now, so I think this method is also a great method of moisturizing my hair as well. If you made it to the end of this video, thank you so much for watching and supporting my channel. Once again, if you do like my videos and the content I share with you, please don't forget to hit the like button and comment on my videos and subscribe. See you on the next one. Bye.